Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Webull app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just click here on menu down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above your settings, you click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on chart settings, you just click on it. Then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here. So you come here to line assist, just click on it. You come to next step here. You come here to highest and lowest indication. Click in this sign. So like you see here, this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.